Alright, diving in, you see. It's like being on a cloud ride where we have to keep our eyes on not just making cool stuff but also ensuring it's doing good. That's the ethos behind Microsoft's Azure AI. So here's the scoop on how Azure AI is giving us all the tools to bake responsible AI into the mix. It's kind of a game changer. At the heart of it, Azure AI stands as a well-rounded suite. Imagine a master chef in a state-of-the-art kitchen, and they've got all these advanced tools that come together beautifully. So, first up, we have this powerhouse called Azure AI Content Safety. It's like a guardian angel for our creations. It keeps an eye out for harmful stuff like hate speech, fake news, or just plain bad advice in the things we generate. It's smart, sensing the essence of the data it gets, and can even suggest we tweak things just right to keep things constructive. Now, let's move to Azure AI Studio, a creative workspace. Picture an artist playing with colors and shapes but also being a responsible curator. It's here we can dream up new ways to use AI, and it guides us with prompts that are not just prompts but gentle nudges toward what's ethically sound. It's like having a friend ensuring that our creativity doesn't accidentally wander into darker territories. Weaving through this all is the Azure OpenAI service. It's like we've got a bridge connecting different islands of AI, you know. It ties together AI services with an open API that Microsoft has laid down, and guess what? It's designed to play by the book, respecting our privacy and ensuring our data stays ours to control. It feels like freedom, but with a watchful eye, making sure the open source spirit never compromises on responsibility. Now, as we wrap our heads around Azure AI's capabilities, let me walk you through how their technical architecture is crafted for this. This isn't just a one-size-fits-all kit, it's a dynamic ensemble built with precision. Azure AI is like having a personal assistant who has thought about every little detail. From the content management through AI-powered filters to the governance systems keeping tabs on usage, it's all here and integrated seamlessly. So then, when we talk about making sure these AI creations are hitting these nails on the head, it's about trust. It's about being able to look back and not lose faith in what AI can become. And trust comes with transparent policies, comprehensive audit trails, and those ever-so-helpful built-in mechanisms ensuring our creations aren't just effective but fair. It's like a compass guiding us through ethical use and compliance, and Microsoft's Azure is laying down a roadmap clear enough for anyone to follow. Imagine being able to leverage AI without fear of harmful ripples sneaking through. That's the dream, and Azure AI is making sure of it by integrating these checks and tools. Every AI model trained is like a child nurtured on good food and education. It grows up right and aligns with shared societal values, helping us avoid the darker side of this AI wilderness. As we bring this closer to our daily lives, it's more than just following the rules, it's about innovating within them. And here's where Azure AI comes into its own. It's not just a framework, it's a collaborative canvas, allowing us to bring our brightest ideas into the foreground without getting muddled in murkiness. So why stick with Azure AI when we're talking generative AI responsibility? It's about setting a standard, about being an upstanding member of this ever-growing AI community. With Azure AI's tools, we're not just creating, we're cultivating digital ecosystems where ideas flourish responsibly and ethics stand tall among the stems. Now, as we wrap up this cloud exploration, remember that Azure AI isn't just Microsoft's offering, it's an invitation to join a movement where everyone gets involved. A community striving for responsible creativity and innovation, where we all feel the power of collective accountability to bring forward a brighter, kinder AI world. And for a final nudge, I encourage you to deepen your knowledge, engage with the tech community, and maybe sift through forums and think tanks. Dive into discussions and share insights. Stay informed, stay engaged, and if you are hungry for more, visit neeraj.z.io for TechLab, your go-to hub for the intersection of technology and responsibility. Remember, this is the future we are molding, where every AI creator is an artist and an ethical guardian. Until next time, stay curious and keep crafting responsibly.